Compare wave and matter and wave. Difference between electromagnetic wave and the matter wave. The electromagnetic and the matter waves are the two out of the three major categories in the which the waves has classified. The significant difference between the electromagnetic wave and the matter wave is that an electromagnetic wave is composed of the electric and magnetic field compounds has a against in matter wave. No such field components exist. We are all know that the waves are regarded as a disturbance where there are continuous oscillations of constituents as a specific point or a nearby points is away. A away allows the information and energy to get the predicate from one point to another point, but without the physical transfer of matter. The waves are differentiated on the basis of the characters possessed by them, mainly the orientation of the particles' motion and direction of energy are crucial characters. Hence, the waves are three types of the mechanical and magnetic and matter waves. The content: the electric was the matter wave. Comparison chart and definition and key difference and conclusion and comparison chart. The comparison chart. The basic for the comparison and fields associated with it. The definition of the electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave, also called as EM wave, is an outcoming of the oscillation electric and magnetic field. Basically, the electric magnetic wave are composed of electric and magnetic field, and their vibration causes the generation of the electric magnetic wave. The charged particle generated an electric field, and due to the electric field to charged particle is accelerate future. This moving the charging particle give rise to magnetic field, which again applies some the force on the moving charges. Thus is the result of the fact and the changing the magnetic field generates a changing the electric field and vice versa. What is a electromagnetic wave? An electromagnetic wave is a type of wave that which travels through a space carrying the electromagnetic radiant energy. These waves are predicated at the speed of light in a vacuum. Type of the electromagnetic wave included the radio waves, the microwaves, infrared rays, visible light, and UV rays, and fearable more. We can categorize that electromagnetic wave using the wavelength, the frequency, or energy. This is the down diagram as shown in the electromagnetic wave. Moreover, an electromagnetic wave consists of a quantum called protons. A proton has no mass but the relative mass, thus the gravity can be affected those the protons just like a normal matter. When it was provided the energy to an atom, the electrons can move to high energy level, but since the higher energy level state is unstable, the electrons fall back to a lower energy states, releasing the protons. Hence, this instance can produce electromagnetic radiation. Using the principle, we can obtain the emission and spectrum for the medical, for the chemical elements, and determine the energy levels of those atoms. What are the matter wave? Matter wave is also a wave that consists of a particle. However, these waves are not associated with the electric and magnetic fields. Unlike the electrical magnetic waves, these matter waves consist of particle which has a mass and a volume. Thus, all matters can behave as a wave. Electromagnetic wave versus magnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave, matter wave, protons and particles which have the mass and volume, the associated with the electric and magnetic fields, the not associated with electric and magnetic fields, equals the product of the Planck constant and the speed of the light dividing by the energy. The equal and the Planck constants divided by quantum. The radius wave IR radiation and UV radiation, visible light, etc. A beam of electrons. This below infograph shows the more comparison more related to difference between the electric magnetic wave and magnetic wave. What is the difference between electromagnetic wave and matter wave? The electromagnetic wave are type of the wave that travels through a space carrying the electromagnetic radiation, and while the matrix that the constant. The moreover it is another important difference between electromagnetic wave and the matter wave. We can say that electromagnetic wave consists of protons, while the matrix contains which that. This is matter wave. The key difference between the electromagnetic wave and the matter wave. Electromagnetic wave carrying the electromagnetic radiation energy in a free space, while a matter wave they carry particles that constitute in the propagate energy. Conclusion. So that the decision concludes that the two types of wave exhibited different characteristic properties because they originated differently. Thank you.